In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to redeem your Wells Fargo credit card rewards. So in order to redeem your credit card rewards, you just have to follow these steps. First of all, go ahead and open up a browser and type in wellsfargo.com and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. Now, redeeming your reward in a variety of different ways is you could go to www.wellsfargo.com/rewards. So type in the information, and when you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official page where you can go ahead and redeem your gift card or your credit card information. So then, to begin with, you just have to go ahead and log in into your Wells Fargo online banking account, and when you're logged in, then you have to go ahead and press on redeem reward for purchase you've already made. Then you could visit the Wells Fargo or the ATM and redeem in $20 in increments with your Wells Fargo ATM or debit card. So that is how you can redeem your Wells Fargo credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.